Hey everyone, welcome back. We are going to tackle another spot in my shop today. I'm going to do my cart that I do all my paintbrush cleaning and keep my cleaning supplies on. I'm just going to bring these out and wash them out. Just going to dump this out. All right. This I'll bring in the house and clean. And, oh, I didn't leave myself any water. All right, let me go get some water. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Just had to grab some water. Let's see. A little chilly. Just a little chilly. I'll get you guys in closer and take a look. I'm not trying to get it perfect because that's not going to happen. But it is nice to have a clean cart. Cleaner. The magic erasers work good, but you got to be careful what you use them on, because they'll take everything off. They'll strip the paint off. They're very abrasive, so just be careful. Do a little test spot in an inconspicuous area so you won't ruin anything. God forbid, don't try it on your car, because like I said, it takes everything off. That's good enough. Basically just defunking it. That's all. Good. And then I usually put a couple of buckets of water up here. One's clean water, one's dirty water, and one is to wash my brushes out with. So, let's get to the bottom shelves. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, and you don't have to buy the brand name. I just get these off Amazon. Magic cleaning sponge. I think there was, I don't know, there was like 50. There was 50 in here, but they were exactly the same thing. Don't spend all that money on those super expensive magic erasers. And keep them until they're completely dead, because you can keep on using them. Oh, some more blue spray. Sponges, I just throw them in the wash machine with my rags. I got this cart from Harbor Freight. It's actually pretty inexpensive. I want to say it was around $40 or $50 maybe. You know, I have customers in here, so it's nice to have it a little, I mean, I'm sure they don't notice, but I enjoy it being a little tidier. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be better. Get the creepy little spiders out of there. It's almost time to order some more. I usually just get this 50 pack, and then I bring half of them in the house, and it's getting close to the bottom of the bag. All right, that looks good. We'll find a place for that. I'll rinse out my buckets. All right, I think I'm done. I just had to get my water. This bucket. And this bucket. And then I leave a bucket for my brushes. This is an extra one. I'll find something for those guys to do. Just got to sweep up the floor around there, and basically that is all done. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. If you like my content, I'm going to get back to doing stuff with furniture, repairing and painting and upcycling and all that kind of stuff. But for now, I got to do a little spring cleaning, so stay tuned. Hit that like button. Don't forget to thumbs it up. All right, bye, guys.